They want Hamas to remain, and then they say, well, no, we want the Palestinian Liberation Organization. They should take over Gaza. Excuse me? It's another terrorist regime. Anyway, go ahead.
Quite clear. Hamas is a terrible, disgusting terrorist organization that began this war. But what Israel has done over the last 7 months has not just gone to war against Hamas, it has gone to war against the entire Palestinian people, and the results have been absolutely catastrophic. I mean, Kristen, we're talking about not just 35,000 Palestinians dead and 77,000 wounded, 2/3 of whom are women and children. That is not the way.
Now, just so you understand, that's what we call blood libel. And he keeps repeating that. Because its objective is to increase hatred for Jews, I'll explain in a minute, and for Israel. That is a lie. In fact, there's a piece in the Washington Beacon today by our friend Adam Credo. UN cuts Gaza death toll figures by half, confirming Hamas is lying about casualties. Figures cited by the Biden administration to press Israel riddled with errors. And yet, this actually came out the end of last week.
That was a stop sign.
The United Nations cut its Gaza death toll figures by half, confirming that Hamas officials have been lying for months. This is the UN doing. About the total number of casualties and statistics repeatedly cited by the UN and the American government as proof Israel is harming civilians. The UN Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs drastically reduced its child fidelity figures, dropping them to 7,700 on May 8th from 14,500 just days before.
Jefferson
It also revised the figures for the number of women killed, lowering them from 9,500 to 4,900.
Yeah, this is
and by the way, how many of those deaths are due to what Hamas is doing to their own citizens, putting them in harm's way? This is urban warfare. If any American who's fought urban warfare, and there are many, in Iraq, in Afghanistan, what it's like, and then when you have an enemy that doesn't care about its own people, then when they're killed as quote-unquote collateral damage, then the enemy uses that number, so people like Bernie Sanders and Jake Tapper, CNN, MSNBC, the New York Times, the Washington Compost, and Biden and Blinken use them. The UN has been citing artificially inflated figures for the last 2 months. It says it relies on information published by the Hamas-controlled government media office in Gaza. Israeli officials and regional experts have cast doubt on these figures since the war broke out, saying that Hamas is known to inflate casualty figures as part of its global media campaign to paint Israel as an aggressor. These figures have been used by the UN and the American government for months to accuse Israel of intentionally targeting citizens, including women and children. But the massive revision indicates Hamas's figures are riddled with inaccuracy. It would be like World War II, where our media would be reporting figures put out by Nazi Germany. How sick is this?
Yeah, these street signs are really hard to see.
The Hamas-controlled Gaza Ministry of Health is the primary source for these numbers, which international organizations generally deem credible. That's the bigger figures. But do not differentiate between Hamas fighters and civilians. So on top of all that, they don't differentiate between the terrorists and the civilians. So it goes on and on. Look, we've had the great statistician on here.